morning, gente. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estamos? Nosotros bien, sobre la marcha, ¿eh? Y solamente esperamos y deseamos que vosotros estéis bien también. Que seguro que sí. Gracias a Dios, seguro que sí. Bueno, hoy son las fotos del reto de la mesita, ¿eh? Que os agradezco muchísimo a todos los que habéis participado, a todos los que habéis hecho la mesita, a las fotos que me habéis enviado y todo eso. Os lo agradezco un montón. Cada día somos más y esto va creciendo, así que os lo agradezco mucho. No me quiero enrollar porque aquí los protagonistas hoy sois vosotros, no soy yo, ni es Manolito ni soy yo, sois vosotros. Así que os dejo con las fotos de todo lo que habéis hecho y os recuerdo que cuando termine este vídeo tenemos el directo, ¿eh? Y hablaremos de todo esto, de todo lo que se ha hecho, cómo se ha hecho y preparar el reto de ya, que la semana que viene lo tenemos aquí. Así que vamos con las fotos.
Life's been good to you, and I see that you're with someone new. Maybe you are better off now that you're with him. But when I see your face, I can't stop myself from spiraling. Now I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down. 'Cause I can focus when you are around. But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you. I'm not over you. I'm not over you. My heart belongs to you. I'm not over. Trying to see it your way, to figure out why you left. I know that I have done some things I do regret, and I don't blame you for leaving. I might have done the same, but it doesn't make it easier anyway. Now I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down. I can get myself to focus when you are around. But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you. Not over you. I'm not over you. Yeah, my heart belongs to you, 'cause I'm not over you. Carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you. But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you. nothing is really what